Today, ang Nognog in the City. Maglalakad tayo sa kahabaan ng sikat na 5th Avenue. Tatambay tayo sa tapat ng Iron Building. Magpapakabusog sa pagkain ng Samgyup. At lastly, pupuntahan natin ang tinatawag na Little Island. Kaya sumama na on our next trip. All here on Nognog in the City.
Morning guys, so it's 8 o'clock here in New York. We're having breakfast, prepare ni Gian. Malasa siya ngayon punta ng work and magkikita kami mamaya sa K-Town ng around after lunch. Tapos, we'll try to go around New York later. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit. So, just this morning guys, I finally received yung ating ticket for the weekend Broadway show this coming Feb 24 at 7 p.m. at Gershwin Theater. Tama ba? Basta ko.
Time na para explore ang MetroCard City, New York.
Meron na.
Ang saya lang na sobrang accessible na location namin because the subway station was just a few minutes away from the house. One of the very first thing that you will need to do when exploring in New York is to obtain a MetroCard. Magagamit mo to sa lahat ng mga trains and bus ride around the city. May mga iba't ibang loading scheme din na maaari mong i-avail. Ibalak mong magstay for a week, mas makakatipid ka if i-avail mo ang unlimited ride for $33. For 30 days only ride naman, it costs around $127. Sobrang tipid nito kumpara sa paper ride na MetroCard starting at $5.50. From Grand Avenue Station, we only need to ride an R train and go down at 5th Street in Central Park. Medyo mahaba-haba ang lalakarin natin today, pero ayos lang dahil sinamahan naman ako ni Brother Chris. Ang lamig lang talaga ng weather that day. Kaya unang request ko kaagad humanap ng CR. Buti na lang at may malapit na Apple Store dito. Dual purpose na ng pagpasok natin dito dahil una ay para silipin ang mga presyo ng laptop. Ikalawa ay syempre para maki-CR. Plano talaga namin today ay pagurin ang aming mga sarili sa paglalakad para makakain ng marami sa Samgyup lunch namin mamaya. Naalala ko, runner pala tong kasama ko kaya medyo wala akong masyadong captured video along the way. And speaking of being a runner, alam niyo na siguro kung anong store ang next naming binisita. Crossing one of the destinations one must visit in New York City is the famous Rockefeller Center. If napanood niyo yung movie na John Wick or yung TV show na Saturday Night Live or yung kay Jimmy Fallon, dito lang naman sa Rockefeller Center ginagawa yun.
So we're here guys at the Rockefeller Center. Tingnan lang natin, silipin lang natin. Ice skating ring.
Sarap sana mag-ice skating pero wala tayong extra budget to do it. Also, ang haba din pala ng pila. Dinaanan din namin yung famous na New York Public Library near Bryant Park. If you've seen Spider-Man or Ghostbuster, may ilang mga scenes din doon na dito sinunod. Moving on, we also passed by the Empire State Building.
Yeah. Yung hangin lang talaga. Ano lang tayo? Naglakad tayo for an hour? 2 hours already. Hindi na medyo mainit. So na ganito weather the whole week.
At nakaramdam din kami ng pagod kaya naupo muna kami dito sa tapat ng Flatiron Building.
And that's the Flatiron Building.
Sabi nga ni paring Jericho Rosales, favorite building niya daw to. Sayang lang at di kami nagkaabot. Maybe next time, pag bumalik ako dito, magkita na kami ulit. Anyway, nakwento ni Brad Chris yung former work niya around the area. Kaya dumaan muna kami sa isang donut store na binibisita niya lagi dito.
Donut break tayo guys. We're here at Doe's. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
Di pa naman ako gutom kaya nagkape na lang muna ako.
Mas kami dati dyan. Di ba malapit lang ako sa home. Tapos pinupunta.
Around 5th Avenue din matatagpuan ang bagong bukas na Harry Potter Studio. Pero mukhang gutom na yung kasama ko kaya dumiretso na kami sa Let's Meet para sa ating all-you-can-eat barbecue lunch. Laking tipid, buti na lang sinagot ng mag-asawang lunch ko today. Yum! After lunch, naisipan namin na mag-dessert. Masarap daw yung bread dito sa may patisserie chanson, kaya sinubukan namin.
Bye!
Oras na para pumasok sa trabaho si Brad Chris, kaya kami na lang muna ni Jihan ang magtutuloy ng ating New York exploration. I suggested to visit the new attraction called the Little Island. Kaya from 5th Street, we walked toward the 23rd, heading straight to the High Line. And speaking of the High Line, isa itong unique elevated linear public park that was formerly a freight rail line located in Manhattan's West Side area. Ang witty lang talaga ng idea in restoring history and making it a unique area to walk, chill, or wait till the sun set. Kung nakatira ako dito, for sure, lagi niyo ako makikita nakatambay sa area na to. And of course, at the end of the line, we just walk straight to Pier 55 to visit another unique park called the Little Island. Just within the Hudson River, this unique artificial island park just gives visitors an immersive experience with nature and art. Nakuha daw nila ang idea na ito from the structural wooden piles that was left sticking out of the waters. And guess what? The best part about this park, it is free to public visit.
Guys, ito ang tinatawag na Little Island. Anong lugar to? Chelsea. Dulo ng Chelsea. Hindi ko rin alam guys. Pero nasa parang end part siya ng High Line. So lakarin mo lang siya. Tapos yung dulo, kita mo na Little Island. So open siya for public. Maganda dito pagka kasama ko buong pamilya, mga ganon. And pagka gusto niyo makita yung sunset. So perfect place. And Little Island guys. 6 a.m.
Medyo may extra time pa kami kaya sinulit na namin ang pamamasyal. Taking the subway, we went at the World Trade Center.
What is this place? Which is? Oh, ito yung Instagrammable
Dito matatagpuan din ang World Trade Center Pat Station. Ride this train kung gusto mong pumunta sa mga cities in New Jersey. Pero ang pinunta talaga namin dito ay ang National September 11 Memorial Museum. Unfortunately, sarado siya today.
Ito ay ang World Trade. Tapos ito yung memorial thingy. Ito ba yung may mga pangalan sa wall?
Meron pa isa eh.
Ito yung merong underground, di ba? National September Memorial Museum. But it's closed.
Kaya dumiretso na lang kami sa Wall Street para hanapin si Papi Leonardo DiCaprio.
Lagi ko naalas si Leonardo DiCaprio.
Within the area, along Broadway Street, matatagpuan naman itong mahabang pila.
So guys, we're here at Broadway and we're actually ang haba ng pila din sa charging bull area. So everyone wants to touch that log of the bull. Yeah, so
Di ko alam kung anong meron sa betlog ng charging bull na ito, pero either sa front or sa back ka magpapapicture, you still need to fall in line. Gabi na, time na para umuwi.
End of the vlog. We'll be heading back home. And I hope you'll join me again in my next vlog. I'll be touring you around more destinations here in New York. Battery Park daw. But we'll be taking the subway and we're heading back to Queens. Bye guys! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Put thumbs up in the video. Bye!
On our next episode, it was a rainy day, pero di tayo papaawat to explore the city. Nakipag-eyeball tayo sa two of our friends we met on Kumu. Kilalanin sila on our next episode.